Let's see how MRI Meta Studio Pro can update thousands of images with professional metadata in just a few minutes. Okay, so now we start. This is the download folder and the main script. You can load it, open your Photoshop and file, how to load script and browse, then find out my download file meta image SEO meta replace and load button click. Now it's a pop-up and browse the find this is the full UI input folder, so which file you need to replace. So find out this. I have original photography and this folder is a image. I have select this and now export folder need to select and export folder I have select. Okay, and JPG format 100% quality JPG. You can less the quality image or any format, other format, keep original, that is your choice. And now you can replace SEO description and title, everything you can add, copy. So just copy and paste description. You can use ChatGPT or any other AI and fill up this keyword, the right keyword, and authorize MRI Kokon. You can authorize your authorization, type there your name or your company name or your site name. This is copyright information. You can write there anything, any copyright your site or others. If you update this image in marketplace, so do not do this. Do not use copyright option. Now just start processing and it is working automatically. You can work unlimited photography using metadata. Use this script, not only photography or graphics, anything, any format. We have mentioned this, so you can update in a second. Just metadata is very important now, day by day. So this is the processing complete. Okay, process 100% at 10 image processing. So this click is complete in 10 images. So see, check out, let's check. See, this is the all images are metadata, this is the without metadata. Okay, so no information, just only regular information. And you can select this. See the full information tag and everything you can check it for click and file, open the photo and file information. See, the perfectly replace everything, authorize and tag and the name and the short description. Okay, so use our metadata and boost up your SEO and search result. Hello there, today I will show you image SEO meta replace script, Photoshop script, how to use it and custom it, or replace your photography, any type of photography, any type of image, your e-commerce site image, your on-site image, for your marketplace product image, easily replace the SEO metadata. See our metadata looking and facility, and this type of marketplace or any type of marketplace, they all user needed this. See our presentation and facility, how it's work, we just decide. So directly I have to show you how to use. Just go my download file and there is help file, and this is the image SEO meta replace by MRI Studio. You just load, how to load it, go the file and script and the browse option, and now you can find out my download file and there is show this script only, and just load button click. Now our panel is show, and this is the format, title, description, keyword, author and copyright. And you can like in the save the format, you can save format this this format, JPG, PNG, TIFF, PNG, PSD and keep original. So and there is the some issue we have fixed the tick mark automatically, and you can JPG control, and this is the input folder and output folder. Okay, so is save your time and boost up your SEO, is support your SEO, because in today's AI drive world, images are not long just a picture. Modern search engine and AI system use rich metadata to better understand, organize, and recommend your image. So it's very important. Boost your visibility with MRI Meta Studio Pro with powerful Photoshop script that permanently embed professional SEO title, description, keyword, author, and copyright metadata into your image in a bulk. Save hours of manual work and make your image fully optimized. Creative market and Shutterstock or your on-site or e-commerce site stocks, any stock site or and more. Okay, so now let's see how MRI Meta Studio Pro can update thousands of images with professional metadata in just a few minutes. Okay, so this is the UI panel, and I just find out my location. I have some photography already for demo purpose, the testing purpose. There is the original photography. Okay, and see there is no information show, just the file format and dimension file format PNG, because I have made this image in using AI tool, and we have already previously I have say I have make on AI agent, and that nicely make the image. So share you guys later. So now, and I have another folder for meta image. This is the blank folder for saving file. So first this folder, for browsing this folder, input file, where file input I just show test image original photography. Okay, and browse the output file. I have a blank folder and select this. Already file found thus 10, because we have input folder on 10 file already, and there we need to title. So my file is PNG, but I need to save it JPG format, and quality is full quality. 12 quality is full quality. Or if you need to same keep original, you can set is keep original, or any other format need, you can save format, you can select, but I need to JPG format. Okay, so that's why I have set the JPG format, and okay, quality is 100. Now SEO title. So you can collect SEO title, or plan to decorate yourself, or AI combination like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok, or other AI, and write the SEO title, description, and tag, and also you can combine yourself, because AI tag also not perfect. All tag are not perfect, perfectly work or match perfectly. So need to human touch, manual touch. So it's best for your image ranking or your file ranking. So I have copied the title and replace, and SEO description, and I have already description, I have paste. You can unlimited text paste, but limited edition is best, like the 10 or 12 tag is best. You can unlimited tag paste there, but if you think the good planning, then everything is the guideline. So there is the author. You can type your name or your site name, and also you can write there your site name. If you update this product in marketplace, so blank this copyright. Okay, others author is you can write. So is perfect. And now I have started, or also save the preset, like this setting and this information you can save preset. Then you can close the script and load again, then this information show again. So start processing. I have just process button click. Now it's start and create the file and replace the file and save the file metadata with metadata information, and it's boost up your SEO ranking, file ranking, and image ranking. It's working still. Okay, fine. Okay, so fast, and those 10 images is done now. So I have checked out the my metadata image folder, and see there is now information tag, and the title, also the description show. And also you can check out this, the file open, sorry, the okay, file open and file info. You can check out, see all information is replace your photography perfectly. Okay, so it's help your site image ranking and your file ranking. Use our metadata replacer, so it save your time and perfect search result for your image. Where you can buy this product, visit our marketplace store, MRI Studio for creative market, and MRI Cocoon for graphics river, and Creative Fabrica for MRI Studio. All link, my all site link, or this product download link, all link include my video description. You can check out the video description. This is our free pick site, but you do not find out there this is script, and they are not allowed. You just find out that they are the creative market and graphics river and Creative Fabrica. Also our on-site www.photoshopaction.net, there is the our all file is there, and 99% discount going on the unlimited bundle or flash sale 50%. You can visit our site. And okay, thanks for watch this video.